Did you know that before Scarlett Johansson became the iconic Black Widow, Emily Blunt was actually Marvel Studios' original top choice for the role? Before Iron Man 2 officially introduced Black Widow to the MCU, Marvel Studios originally wanted Emily Blunt to play Natasha Romanoff. She was reportedly the top choice for the role, but due to the contractual obligations for Gulliver's Travels, she had to turn it down. Emily later admitted that missing out on the role was a heartbreaker, but she also said she has no regrets about how things turned out. Because of that decision, Scarlett Johansson stepped into the role and eventually became one of the most iconic characters in the Marvel Studios universe. It's honestly one of Hollywood's biggest what-ifs. Emily Blunt definitely had the charisma and acting range to pull off Natasha Romanoff, but at the same time, it's hard to imagine anyone else besides Scarlett owning the role for over a decade. Sometimes, the roles actors miss end up shaping cinema history in unexpected ways, and in this case, both actresses still found massive success in their careers. What do you think? Could Emily Blunt have been the perfect Black Widow? Or was Scarlett Johansson always meant for the role? Thanks for watching.